What is going on, guys? Scott here from Horizon Bound. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today I wanted to work on the truck a little bit. I found some really cool molle panels from Rough Country, and I'm really excited to put these bad boys on. As you can see, these things are full length, so they will go from corner to corner and corner to corner. I didn't get the molle panel that goes right there. I don't think I'll need it. But yeah, dude, I'm pretty stoked about these things. I know Cali Rays makes them. I know there's a company that makes Victory 4x4, I believe is what it's called. But these things, dude, 69 bucks each. I got two of them. I think from Cali Rays they are 140, 150 for one. 80 bucks for a half panel. This is full length. So yeah, something that would have cost me over 300 bucks is now only 120 bucks. And honestly, the quality looks really good. So let's go ahead and get to mounting it. But before I do, I gotta take off my bed cover. So let's get to that. All right, so now that I've got the bed cover off, I need to take off the rail. So if you can see, I've got a bolt back there, a bolt right there, bolt right there, and a bolt back there. I'm also gonna need to take off these two in the corner. So the way you take off this guy is there's a little push right there. Super simple, push, pull out. Pops right back on in there. I mean, with everything Toyota, it's all super easy to take apart. It's like Legos. In the box, good old instructions. Got some stickers, it looks like, nice long sticker, and then all of the gear. So on there, you've got some tie downs, some straps. So you've got little body clip, you got some washers, you've got some bolts, 6mm, and you've got 3 of the top mount brackets. So the way this will go is it's going to mount right there, and we will put our track back on, and then this part will mount to the molle panel. So first thing we're going to want to do is take our mounting bracket and our body clips. We're going to snap them in. The way you want to do it is think of it like this, and then that's going to go that way. You don't want to put it out, facing out of everything. You want it to be facing in, because this part will be mounted up against the rail right there, and this part, the screw will go through. Does that make sense? Cool. So let's go ahead and snap that in there. As you can see, it just pops right on in, like so. Good to go. So now that we've got our brackets put together, let's go ahead and put our rail back using the OEM hardware. We'll stick that just like so. So now that we've got all of these brackets put back in place, all upside down, we're going to take our hardware and we are going to stick each individual one. And we are going to install the regular parts right back in there. So unscrew these in. One thing to note, these guys are T30s. All of the rail all along here, those are all going to be T30, but these guys you can use T25. Where is it? T25. I'll run a T25. That is on there pretty darn good. A little bit tighter. So that is the Molle panel. I'll be honest, I thought it was going to be longer. I could have swore it said full panel, but technically that looks like a 3/4 panel to me. Away. So yeah, maybe that's why it's cheaper. I mean, still 69 bucks for a 3/4 or 120 for a full panel. I mean, I think I'll be fine missing this little chunk back there. It is nice to know that this is rated to carry those hijacks. I don't think I'll be using one. I think I'd get one of those Pro Eagles and yeah, just a little bit more stability. But still, I think it looks really clean. It does kind of block the lights back there, but whatever. All right, so knowing what I know now, I don't think I'm going to take off this guy since it's not going to reach that. But I did notice that I've got a 2020 Tacoma and we don't have that cutout. So I'm assuming it's just gonna sit right there. I might just drill nice little Land Cruiser going by right there. I might just drill this out. Excuse me, I might just drill a couple holes in there and, you know, mount it a little bit more secure that way. I don't know. But I'm definitely not going to take this guy off. So let's go ahead and take off the rail. Alright, so remember, this guy goes back, faces back. So flip this right in there. Let's take this one in first. All right, so now we got that in place. Let's go ahead and tighten this up. Hopefully I didn't strip this one too much. All right, guys, so that's that. I mean, I really like it. It does look pretty clean. It's on there pretty snug. Yeah, I'm pulling pretty hard and it's barely coming off. So I'm pretty sure when I have that mounted, you know, got tools mounted to it, it's gonna be just fine. I am a little disappointed that it's not a full panel. I thought it was, but it's not. It's maybe a little over a 3/4. Let's just call it a 3/4. I'm also curious about the lights. They are kind of covering it, but I mean, these things are pretty bright. I'm pretty sure it'll be able to shine right through those holes. But yeah, that's the Rough Country Molle panel. If you guys like the video, please hit like, hit subscribe. I will see you guys out on the horizon. Ooh, I got a package. Yeah.